와, 여기 지금 이제 아티틀란 호수 너무 예쁩니다. 키미랑 같이 이렇게 카약을 하면서 가고 있는데 진짜 너무 예쁜 것 같아요. 카야? 킴, say something.
Hello, my friends.
네, 그 킴하고 멀리 나왔는데요. 지금 갑자기 저쪽 비가 오려고 하는데 물이 갑자기 팍 떨어졌어요. 그래서 이제 받고 합니다. 솔직히 지금 이 가방 떨어질까봐 너무 많이 무섭습니다. 와, 오. It is more harder to go way back. Yeah. Well, we can do it. Yeah, fast. Yeah, it's fast. Wow, too much wave right now. Whoa, shit, man. 100%. Maybe in 30 minutes I can go to only 1 kilometer, but kayak, yeah, 3 or 4 kilometers. Yeah, easy to go to somewhere. Yeah. 네, 저희 킴하고 이제 다시 산페드로까지 열심히 왔습니다. 힘들었어요. 그래도 재밌네요. 20개짜리로 이렇게 좋은 경험을 하고 운동도 할 수 있는 거는 진짜 좋은 선택인 것 같습니다. 아마 킴이 저한테 함께 하자 안 했다면 아마 저는 안 했겠지만, 그래도 킴이 이렇게 카약을 하자고 한 덕분에 좋은 경험을 할 수 있었습니다. 이제 저기까지가 목표인데요. 한번 지금 물이 엄청나요 지금. 네, 물이 지금 엄청납니다. 하지만 한번 마지막까지 최선을 다해서 노를 저어서 가보도록 할게요. Yeah, let's time to go. If I know that my clothes wet like this, I wouldn't wear the new clothes. Shit, I miss my dirty yellow clothes.
So normally, almost every time you kayak, you get dirty.
Yeah, and then I didn't know that the boat will be full of the water.
No. So here's the blind.
Oh, maybe we should go. Yeah, over there. Maybe 100 meter. Yeah. It's really beautiful here. Yeah. I hope to visit here again.
Yeah, man, I hope so too.
Yeah.
Oh, you can even sleep there, man. You can sit there, smoke a joint.
How long gonna take to come visit here from Sweden?
How long it takes?
Yeah.
I mean,
Including the transfer.
maybe like 20 hours?
20 hours. Same as me. I need to go Los Angeles during 14 hours, and then maybe it's gonna take 5 or 6 hours to come visit Guatemala, right?
Yeah.
And we need to take a bus to come here from Guatemala.
Maybe like
4,
25
5. Yeah. Maybe we wouldn't come back here again.
Yeah, man.
But I hope, yeah. In my life, maybe one day I will come visit here with my family.
Man.
Yeah.
Muy bien.
Wow, shit. I'm fucked up.
You need to do. You're kind of wet, man. How's your bag? Is it okay?
See?
Yeah, but
he's
it's okay.
fine. Yeah,
It's
he's
okay.
fine. He's fine. Anyway, 킴하고 저기 갔다 왔습니다. It was really
Muy bien.
exciting.
Very
yeah,
nice.
it was really nice.
Very nice.
Yeah.
It's an adventure, bro.
Yeah, adventure. 2m 타전.
Yeah, man.
이것으로 카야킹은 끝났습니다.
Yeah.
And it's
Yeah.
G80,
Yeah.
G80, and you know what? In the Oh shoot, man.
That's a cool design, man.
Yeah, cool. Oh,
But I like this. I like this one.
Yeah, me too. Me too.
It looks like a future car.
Yeah, future car. Yeah. Where is
Have you seen one of the newest BMWs?
5 Series?
They have a 8K screen in the back.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, you can sit in the back. 8K screen folds down.
Oh, 7 Series.
Maybe.
Yeah, it's 7 Series.
Yeah?
I saw it.
pretty cool,
And you
man.
know what? BMW, they gonna sell the new 5 Series. Which country is the first one?
Korea.
Korea. Yeah. I don't know why, but I think
You guys love it.
Yeah, a lot of people love because they sell with a 20% of the discount.
Really?
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah, they sell like cheaply.
Interesting.
Audi also. So
Also.
there is no discount about the Mercedes-Benz.
No.
It's like 5%. And Porsche, there is no discount.
No.
Maybe 1%.
Yeah.
Rebuy it. And Maserati, there is a discount right now.
Really?
And it's 20%. And Hyundai, 3 or 5.
Yeah.
And Lexus, I don't know about the Lexus.
I'm not really
But,
into Lexus.
but Audi is real huge
Yeah?
discount.
Yeah?
Always 20%.
Really?
Yeah.
Audi?
If before the change of new model,
Yeah.
you can buy it with a 30% of the
What?
discount. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Parts. American
They break.
vehicle parts is really expensive
Really?
in Korea.
Really?
So we need to buy online.
Yeah.
So we buy it online and
6
then
weeks.
wait maybe 2 weeks, 3
Yeah.
weeks, and then bring the parts to the mechanic,
yeah.
and then 이제 킴이랑 여기 이제 산페드로에서 즐겁게 보내다가 킴은 이제 저녁 식사를 하러 가야 돼요. 그리고 저는 이제 저 혼자 이제 가야 되고 콜롬비아에서 우리가 다시 만나기로 했는데 아무튼 만나든 안 만나든 여기 이제 과테말라에 좋은 시간을 보냈습니다.
Look forward to see you again in Colombia,
Yeah,
man.
man.
Fuck yeah,
Yeah.
brother. Fuck yeah, brother.
Yeah.